In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo with a QR code in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a functional QR code to your logo so people can scan it and go straight to your website or online shop. First, open your design in Canva. This could be a logo you're already working on or a new design you've just created. Make sure you're happy with the basic layout of your logo before you add the QR code, because the QR code will become part of the final design. Once your design is open, look towards the top right corner of the Canva editor and click on the Share button. This is usually where you go to download or publish your design, and it's also where Canva hides some of its extra tools, including the QR code feature. When the Share menu opens, you'll see several options like Download, Share a link, and more. You might not see the QR option right away, so look for something like a list of apps or tools. Then click on See All. This expands the full list of available tools connected to Canva. In that expanded list, scroll until you find the option labeled QR code. Go ahead and click on QR code. This opens a small panel where you can create a custom QR code directly inside your design, without leaving Canva or using any external generator. Now, you'll see a field where you can paste a link. This is where you add the URL you want people to visit when they scan your logo. It could be your online store, your main website, a booking page, or even a specific landing page. Just make sure the link is correct and live. It's a good idea to copy the link from your browser and paste it here to avoid typos. After pasting your link, look for the button that says Generate QR Code and click on it. Canva will automatically create a QR code based on the link you provided and place it into your design. You can then resize and position it within your logo, keeping it large and clear enough to be easily scanned. And that's it. You've successfully created a logo with a QR code in Canva, ready to be downloaded and shared wherever you need it.